Hello, my name is Sabhyata Sedhain. Today I'll be talking about EcoEd, which aims to inspire the next generation of leaders in climate change through education sessions in innovation. So the background of how we saw the need for this project was that air pollution negatively impacts the health of Nepalese children, which also affects their engagement in schools. And Kathmandu is Nepal is especially prone to these problems of air pollution because of the geographic location of this area. However, knowledge required to tackle these issues and understand them is lacking in standard curriculum in Nepal. So we thought that an education program that allows students to allow the root causes of climate change and its impact, that teaches them design and communication skills needed to implement strong entrepreneurial solutions, and also be more perceptive towards issues faced by the communities so that they can design solutions for their communities themselves was necessary. So therefore, we designed a course for 10 to 11th graders to teach topics on design thinking, sustainability, and engineering that will all be ultimately useful to drive community change through student leadership. So students were also set to work on a long-term project to solve climate-based issues and pick a particular sector that they could work towards. Each group were assigned mentors where they could ask questions and help regarding how to go about solving the issue of their choice. And throughout the four weeks, students also gradually built an air filter toolkit in order to experience real-life implementations of the topics they've learned about, since this is something they usually lack in their normal school curriculum. So these sessions were delivered to 40 plus students between two schools. So by the end of it, 26 students received certificates for participation, and the certificate required students to attend all 4 classes and actively show progress on the air filter toolkit. Some of the example projects that students made were removing plastic debris from the Bagmati River by mobilizing secondary school students, and they presented their projects of how they would go about each step of implementing these projects. One thing we learned through this session was that the nature of remote classes over Zoom hindered student participation, and only 3 to 4 students regularly contributed to class discussions. But by the end, students anecdotally reported that they did enjoy having friendly relationships with teachers and mentors, unlike the dynamic they experienced in school, and the hands-on learning opportunity provided was very valuable to them in actually learning the material that were taught and going forward with their projects. Thank you so much.